Step 1, fold everything out and place the main part of the tent where you want it. 2, attach all the poles. Step 3, insert all of the roof poles matched with their color and attach to the corner hinges accordingly. You add both of these into the yellow roof area. And attach to this hinge. And attach it to the other hinge. This final roof pole with the green stripe goes right down the middle through this green slip. And attach the hinges. Step 4, attach the steel legs. Start with the yellow stripes on the corners, this bottom end first. The bottom end has a hole. You attach this through the hole. Clip on this. Attach the hinge. Continue. Bottom part of the tent, this pin. Attach it in the bottom. Put it on, and then attach it to the hinge. Last one. Find the bottom pin at the corner, tent clip. Straight up the corners. Just pull out each leg basically. Grab the last 2 legs, both dark green stickers. Same thing, bottom pin, flip it. When you first get the tent, it's gonna be much harder because it's not loosened up yet. So you flip it around backside. The middle. 5, at this point, the tent should be standing. Now add the dog door and insert the bottom of each pole into the metal pin. Bottom pin right here, plug it into the bottom. Clip it in. Have yourself a dog door. Step 6, add the red pole horizontally above the doggy door and extend the pole to fit. When both sides are in, you might need to adjust it so it can be more stable. Part out, extend it as much as possible, close it to tighten it. Now I gotta go to the front side, insert the door poles. These are the door poles. This is one of the most annoying parts, to be honest. Pole goes here, the other one goes crossways. On the other one, down here. That's where it rests. The awesome door is an awesome door. Now for the most annoying part, if you're by yourself, adding the rain fly. The hard part is getting it over the entire tent. It's really hard if you're 5'3". Tie one of the corners, then walk the other corner to the other side. Buckle in a few parts on the other side. What you do is you take these clips, put them at the bottom and attach them. Then you just work your way around. Then untie that same part when you get back over here. Attach it to the bottom. Finally, straighten out the rain fly. Lastly, add the nails to the base and the wind ropes. Then you just go to each corner and you put them in. Find this little whole thing right here, put it down, boom. Extend the wind ropes. And there you have it. That's how you set up this massive 8-person L.L Bean Acadia cabin tent. Now I'm going to show you guys how to tear it down. This part is way easier than the setup. First, remove the nails to the base and wind ropes. Next, remove the rain fly by unhooking the bottom foundation areas. Next, remove all the secondary poles like the doggy house, door poles, and red side pole. Step 4, one by one, remove each steel leg. For me, it's by starting with the bottom, but sometimes some of the poles are easier removing them from the top corner hinge first. either way works. Next, remove the fiberglass poles, starting with the corner hinges. Then, fold up every pole and put it back in the bag where it started. Lastly, fold as tightly as possible the rainfly and the main tent as close to the bag shape as possible. Place everything in the bag, zip it, you're done. Overall, this tent is the perfect choice if you want to take your full family camping. And another thing that I thought about, when you start taking your kids camping and all of that, you don't want to put a bad taste in the mouth of your kids on camping trips if they're too tightly squished into a small tent or anything like that. That's why I think a large, cool tent like this is a good investment. So after the initial investment, camping is a very cost-effective way to have a great time with your family. But nearby camping locations are hiking locations, and hiking is mostly free. That is why God is real. Hiking's free. Get the shirt in the description below. And if you want to see a pretty cool video of a camping trip with me and my wife using this tent, see that video here. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.